Did you know that a single failed MHRA inspection or non-compliant submission can stall a product launch for months? It can also expose your organization to enforcement action, recalls, and millions in avoidable costs. That's because today's medical products leaders operate under intensified MHRA scrutiny, stricter post-market surveillance, and unforgiving submission standards, where one documentation gap, classification error, or pharmacovigilance breach can escalate into regulatory action, market withdrawal, and lasting reputational damage. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified UK MHRA Medical Products Regulations and Compliance program. To begin the program, you'll gain a comprehensive command of the UK's MHRA regulatory framework governing medicines, medical devices, and clinical trials. This includes the latest reforms and what they mean for market access and compliance strategy. Next, we'll cover the critical regulatory requirements, from product classification and approval pathways to pharmacovigilance, post-market surveillance, and quality management systems. This gives you a complete view of the UK landscape and the tools to build a robust, compliant operational framework. Everything is explained in detail as you progress through the course, moving from the foundational principles to advanced compliance strategies across this certified program. We'll even explore the key challenges healthcare leaders face in navigating MHRA regulations, such as managing regulatory submissions, inspection readiness, and adapting to continuous change, along with proven strategies to streamline compliance and reduce approval timelines. By the end of this program, you'll earn the certification in UK MHRA Medical Products Regulations and Compliance. This certification will accelerate your career advancement into senior roles across regulatory affairs, quality assurance, pharmacovigilance, and compliance leadership. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll in our certified program today and elevate your professional standing as a leading authority in UK MHRA Medical Products Regulations and Compliance.